Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making red sticky delights with nuts. The ingredients are currently on the screen. 4 cups of granulated sugar, 3 cups of water, 2 cups of jello packets, 1 cup of corn flour, a pinch of lemon salt, nuts we used like hazelnuts, and 1/8 of a kilogram of that. And you should find all of those ingredients down in the description. So here comes the water, and after that comes the sugar, and then you whisk it together. Now we add the corn flour and the rest of the water and combine thoroughly. Now we add the jello. Now we add the corn flour mix and keep mixing. After that we add lemon salt, and the mixture should thicken. Make sure to continue mixing with a wooden spatula. Then you add the rest of the sugar patches and mix, and continue mixing for 20 minutes. I know that's a lot, but that's the time you have to do it for. And now we're testing the mixture. Take a small spoon and put it in water, and if it is elastic and like this one here, it is elastic, so it's perfect. And now we add the nuts, we remove the heat, and we pour it all in a prepared oil-creased plastic wrap. Now we leave for 3 to 4 hours and then cut into desired shapes and then enjoy. Bye guys.